Hello ladies, I've made you a video on how to use the Revival Mask because some of you people are washing it off. This is a major breakthrough in anti-aging and you must sleep with it on. Okay, so what you do is you pre-cleanse, all right, all over your face. Then you get into the shower. If you've got the hydrating mask, you would put that on over. Get into the shower and shower. Let the steam on your face. Then you take your fingers that are wet and you rub and rub and rub and rub and rub because your hydrating mask is also an exfoliant, all right? So you rub and rub and rub and rub and rub. Then you would wash it all off with your cleansing lotion, cleansing gel, whichever cleanser you've got. Some of you have the Sebu-Wash, okay? I use the Sebu-Wash. After that, you would then take your toner. You take your toner with your cotton round and you, first of all, you dry your face always with a tissue, never with towels, okay? Because towels carry bacteria, okay, and grime. And we want a squeaky clean face. Then we turn all over. I even work here, all over, okay? I do my whole neck décolletage, the whole area, okay? And then, if you had time, do the back of your hands as well. All right. Then you would apply your, if you're using the Syrians, you would apply that next and leave it on for 2 hours. If not, you would just apply your normal vitamin A products, okay? Whatever you're using next, the Skin Essential range or the Youth Essential range. You would apply them next, okay? And then if you've got any other products that you're using, like I use the Hydrating Serum, which plumps up the skin and makes you look more youthful, because as we age, we lose that plumpness. So this is hydrating. It's sucks water into the skin and lifts the skin, and it's actually what's naturally found in the skin, okay? So it's just replacing what you're losing as you age. All right, you would do that. Then you would apply your mask. Now the mask is a pump and you would wipe it off. Some of you use the brush and you would rub it all over those areas, okay? That's what you would do. Now if you'd use the Syrians gel, you would wait 2 hours and then apply all your creams and then apply your Revival Mask and go to bed, all right? If you haven't and you've just used your normal vitamin A products and then you put your Revival Mask on, you leave it on and go to bed, okay? Did I remember to tell you about the roller? I can't remember if we mentioned the roll. But after you've toned, you would roll everywhere and then you would do your vitamins, your vitamin A's, and then you would do your Revival Mask. And your Revival Mask stays on overnight. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please send me a text. Sending you lots of love.